Hello everyone, this is TV Rao. The RDBMS course has 10 modules. In the first module, which is Introduction, you are going to learn why databases are needed, what are the capabilities that are expected of the databases, and what are the varieties of the databases that are available. In the module 4, you are going to learn the formal languages that are available for querying the databases. You are going to look at the various constructs that are provided by the formal languages and how those constructs can be combined in order to write the complex queries for extracting the data from the relational database management systems. In the module 5 on SQL, you are going to learn how to use SQL for defining the schemas and various structural elements within the database, and how to insert the data and update the data, and how to query the data from the databases. I wish you all the best with the learning.
Hello everyone. Hope you will have a great time learning this interesting course on relational databases. I'll be covering 2 modules, that is, a module on data modeling and a module on relational data model. In the data modeling module, we're going to talk about something super important in the world of creating database applications: conceptual modeling. Now, I know that sounds a bit fancy, but stick with me because we're going to break it down into simple terms. By the end of our journey of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of conceptual database design in the overall database design process. You'll be well versed in the fundamental concepts of entities, attributes, and relationships, etc. And you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved in mapping ER constructs to a relational schema. Following this, in the next module, we will cover the fundamental concepts of the relational model. We will familiarize ourselves with its terminologies, explore the characteristics of relations and relational constraints. We'll also cover update operations and methods to handle constraint violations. Finally, we will gain insight into the algorithmic steps and processes involved in mapping ER constructs to relations. I'm super excited about teaching these upcoming modules, and I sincerely hope you share the same enthusiasm for learning. Let's embark on this learning journey together. Happy learning, and let's get started.
Hello students, I am Professor R. Gururaj. In Module 6, we understand the concepts related to functional dependencies, normal forms, decomposition, and desirable properties of a decomposition. Then in Module 7, we discuss how data is stored on the disk. And then we also discuss about hashing schemes. We understand the record and then file organization schemes for database systems and how static dynamic hashing schemes work for databases. The Module 8 is dedicated for indexing schemes used for databases. We learn about primary indexing, secondary indexing, cluster indexing. We also learn about how B+tree indexing works for databases. Next, in Module 9, we discuss what is transaction processing in DBMS, what are schedules of transactions, what is concurrent execution of transactions, and how concurrency control happens. And we also discuss about deadlocks. Towards the end, in Module 10, first we discuss the need for database recovery and important log-based recovery schemes, including checkpointing. Then we get an introduction to SQL query processing. And finally, we also discuss the fundamentals or basics of database security. I hope you will enjoy this course. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Thank you very much.